Clipper, a name long known for quality products for the professional construction market, is now offering a full line of professional-grade wood saw blades, including small diameter and large diameter round blades, reciprocating saw blades, and a multi-material blade. Norton Clipper wood saw blades are made to exacting standards with high-quality tungsten carbide teeth that are super sharp and allow for multiple resharpenings. The blades incorporate specially designed precision laser cut expansion joints along with precise tensioning that gives vibration-free, straight, clean cuts. The Clipper offering of round blades includes small diameter blades for circular saws and large diameter blades for table saws and chop saws. The small diameter blade range is offered in a variety of tooth configurations to cover demolition to finish cutting and includes blades for the FESTOOL track saw. The tooth count on each blade is important and each serves a different application. Table saws and chop saws, often referred to as miter saws, aren't just for the pros anymore, as many DIYers have them in their garage due to their relatively low cost, small size, and versatility. The 10-inch line of blades come in 24, 40, 60, and 80 tooth designs to cover most applications for 10-inch table saws and chop saws. We also offer a 260mm 60-tooth blade for the FESTOOL Capex saw. The slightly larger 12-inch blades are offered in 80 and 96 tooth designs for super clean and straight cuts in any type of wood or molding. Both 10-inch and 12-inch blades are common on the pro side, but 10-inch is going to be the most common for the DIY side. Reciprocating blades, which are offered in 6-inch and 9-inch lengths, can be used for wood, metal cutting, and light demolition when a clean, fast cut is needed. We offer one versatile 4-inch blade for the jigsaw, which provides precise, clean cuts for woodworking. And finally, the multi-material blade, a unique, versatile blade for an angle grinder designed to cut through a wide variety of materials. Right angle grinders are used mainly for metalworking, cutting, and grinding, but can be fitted with masonry cutoff wheels and diamond blades for cutting tile. Our multi-material blade is unique because it can cut a wide variety of materials thanks to its electroplated carbide teeth. Safety is always our top priority. Be sure to always wear a proper PPE and ensure the blades are properly mounted, and always use proper guards on all your tools. Stay tuned for more from Norton Clipper, your trusted partner in construction and woodworking.